Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a few different Dollar Tree DIYs, and here is what I did. So the first one is, I actually got this at a thrift shop, but they do have cutting boards from the Dollar Tree, so you could pick one of those up and do the same exact thing that I did, and you would actually save 49 cents. I paid $1.49 for this at Goodwill a long time ago, and yes, that red did come up off the carpet. If anybody wanted to know, I had no idea it would be such a mess. And then I just took my Waverly chalk paint in white and I did 2 coats on this, and that was just perfect enough. I was super glad because I do not like waiting for paint to dry, because I feel like once I get into a DIY or like a craft, I don't want to stop. And then I just took some sandpaper just to distress it just a little bit, not too much, because I'm going to be taking a printable that I got off of Pinterest, and I will leave all those links in the description box below for you. And then I'm just going to take some Mod Podge and Mod Podge this to the cutting board. And then I am going to take some twine to make it a little more farmhouse. I'm just going to wrap a couple strings around the handle, and then I am going to wrap the twine around the crack around, I want to say maybe it was supposed to be a hot plate because it's not wood. I'm not really sure what this is, but it was glued down and I could not get the middle part up. I am totally assuming that it was supposed to be able to come out, but it didn't, so this is what I did to fix that weird gap that I had between this little square and the paddle. And this next DIY is super easy. I've had these canvases forever and I wanted to use them, so I just ripped the canvas completely apart so I could use this wood canvas underneath. And I did see Caitlin make some kind of like window out of these a long time ago, so I totally kind of stole her little wood idea. So thank you, Caitlin, for being able to come up with something so awesome. But yeah, so I just use the wood part because it looks so much better than actually having to buy wood or like nail it together or glue it together or buying wood. So I thought this looked really cute, and I just used the Waverly Wax in Antique and a little bit of water to use a stain, and that just works amazing. And then I'm taking some foam board from the Dollar Tree, and I am just taking a ruler and going to cut this into an 8 by 10. So I am able to glue this right to the back of the wood canvas or the wood frame. I got these free printables from Pinterest as well, and this is what it looks like when they're all finished. They're not too dark, not too light. And then I'm taking some E6000 and some hot glue, putting it on the back, and that is how I am gluing the foam board to this wood frame. I've tried, written down the words to say, it is time, I've been waiting. And now I'm just taking these free printables and cutting them out, and then I am just going to Mod Podge them onto the foam board and making some really cute kitchen decorations. I love these. I have like a towel that kind of looks like these, and that is where like I was like, I really want something in my kitchen that matches this towel that I will probably never use, but I thought they were super, super cute. And I used to have tons of farm animals all over my house, and I don't know what happened, but I definitely would like to bring them back. And yeah, everything came from the Dollar Tree except that cutting board, but like I said, you can buy one from the Dollar Tree and you would save more money than me on this DIY. But you guys, that is it. These were super simple and super easy for you to do, and if you guys liked them, please make sure you give them a thumbs up. I have only made like one other kitchen decoration ever, so I was pretty happy with these. But that is it, you guys, and if you guys are new to my channel, I would love if you hit that subscribe button, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye. In 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside, baby.